I'll be showing you guys how to replace your PCV valve on your 4-cylinder Volvo. This is most likely on your later models like XC90, XC60, S70, any of those with the 4-cylinder engines. I'll be showing you guys what tools we need, how to replace it, straightforward repair. This could be done at home, don't need a lift, rack up the vehicle, everything's done above from the top of the engine. So let's get started. So I am going to be using power tools. You are going to need your new PCV valve. I'm going to be using a 1/4 inch electric impact, a 40 Torx to remove the upper cover, engine cover, an 8mm socket to remove the 8mm around the PCV box. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts. And on some models, you are going to use pliers. There's a clamp. I'm not sure if this model has it, but I'll show you guys in a quick picture. You might have to remove a hose going into the fresh air pipe. So the first thing we got to do is remove the upper engine cover. Pretty straightforward. These are not torqued down, it's just clips basically. So low power speed, 40 Torx. Should be able to pop right up. Okay, so on this model, we do have that clamp that I was talking about. We gotta remove this clamp and pull this out, and then from here we're going to remove all our 8s. This code could give you a lean air code, have engine noise, excessive vacuum. One way to check excessive vacuum is, of course, when you have the engine running, pull this cap off and you could hear the pressure relieving, or you feel it'll be hard to basically pull the oil cap upward. So we're going to be removing that clamp and those 8s. So we're going to be using our pliers. Pop right out actually. And now we're going to be removing our 8s. So we do have our 8s. There should be 8 of them. We want to make sure that we don't pull the PCV box upward yet. I see where these bolts fall all over the place. I want to grab them, put them in my little tray here, make sure I have 8. And once I know we're all out, I just like to grab it from up here, pop it right out. So the next thing you want to do is make sure we have a nice clean surface for the new one to go in there. Want to make sure we get all that oil, especially here. We'll clean that up. I use a little bit of parts cleaner with a nice clean rack, and then make sure everything, like I said, is nice and clean. A little bit of cleaner. I don't like to spray it directly because you get some of the oil splatter all over the place. You can see it's cleaning up pretty well. Now we have a nice clean mating surface for the gasket, and we don't use any RTV. So there we go, it's nice and clean. So the next step is to put our PCV valve, start our screws by hand, and I'll let you guys know the torque spec. So here we got our PCV box. I suggest that we start these by hand. Don't want to start ramming them in there. It's 10 newmeters, about 7 foot-pounds, or 88 inch-pounds, so not very much torque. This is an aluminum head, so you got to be careful that you don't strip them. We don't want to be hitting them with no 3/8 impact as well. So like we mentioned, there is a torque spec. I'm just gonna hit this with the 1/4 inch. I'm gonna work my way from the inside out. Make sure they get started. As you can see, not enough force. Once they're all the way down, I'm gonna work my way from the inside out again, make sure everything's nice and tight. So we're all set. So next step is just to put your hose back on there. Let me get this clamp on there. Let me fix this clamp real quick. So just slide it in. But once that's done, you just want to make sure that everything looks like all the bolts are secured on there, that you're not missing any of them. Last thing you want to do, don't forget your oil cap. So that's how you replace your PCV box on a 4-cylinder engine on a Volvo. If this was helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so whenever you get any videos, you'll be the first one to see. I want to say thank you guys, and we'll see you guys on the next one.